You okay? Need a hug?
No, thank you.
Oh, you don't look okay. Numbers hurting and feeling alone. We are all connected. Whatever it is that you're feeling, I mean, the whole world is lonely, right? So, just like to connect us. Yeah, and also a hug can relieve stress. So.
No, thank you. I'm okay.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just want to be a good citizen.
No, wait. Yeah, maybe for some few seconds, maybe. The meeting. This life is not so kind to me. And this is a good generation happy. But it's like more for that tira, you know. Nothing is working. I'm super tired.
You're not alone. God is always there with you, okay?
It's too much.
Yeah. And I know that sometimes retreat but you need to keep fighting. You will make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry. It seems that way, but keep fighting.
I'm trying my best.
I know you are. I know you are. And you're doing better than anyone. You are enough. Okay? Yeah. In this road, you are enough. I know you can make it. Based upon no more, I'm going to tell some guys but I'm enough. Okay? And you have people who love you. You'll be okay. Keep trying, alright? Okay, try.
Okay. It's you.
Yeah, it's me. Oh.
Meet again.
Meet again. How are you?
Okay.
You go.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Good day.
No.
Wait.
Wait. Can I buy your time? Like I'm not Zara.
Wow. Free food.
Yeah, come on. That's the least I can do for me. Like I feel relieved.
Okay, fine.
So tunda papa.
Yeah, panka restaurant good food.
Certainly.
Yeah, please.
Zviri Mudzimba.
That's what's good.
Zviri Mudzimba.
And body watch kake ba crossover no naka.
Yeah, tununa. And that's one in Zara.
Oh, well, it's been a long day.
Why do men cheat at me?
I don't know. Same reason women cheat.
Varume vanonyanya. Noziya. Ndakabata murume wangu achichita nebest friend yangu. So I couldn't hold it. Ndakavaendera kun'anga. I tried my best kuti life yavo iite zvakanaka, but yo, zviri kuramba. Ndakavakumbira hangu regerero vese, then I just left. Ndavasiya.
Well, cheating is a choice. You make a choice, you suffer the consequences. I'm not saying zvakaita zvakanaka, but we've done things in the past. Zvisingambofadzi kana ka1. But the first step to any mistake is knowing kuti wabaiza, forgiving yourself and forgiving others. So you did the right thing by kumbira regerero and trying to make things right?
You don't judge.
No, I don't. Lest I be judged by others. I have a past, so I'm not fit to judge.
What do men want us?
Men are simple people. Men want love, respect, food, and women. Right? But that's very simple. One football. But the real question is, what do women want? Because really too much, man. You're just complicated.
Us women, we are simple, no sir. Atiti zvakawanda. Yeah.
Zvamunongotaura but
varume ndivo vasingatonzwisise kazhinji kacho because avarume handizive kuti makasika sei.
ngezi zvinongodzoka pakunzwisisana. Akanyo natopedza gore rese chitawaziva varume nevakadzi. Let's just it.
Phone again. Naimi pesa yangu. Mari yangu Naimi. Naimi ndapirwa phone. Naimi wewe. Ndio nepagauvuka. Naimi wewe phone yangu. Phone yangu. Munogara munomarondera kuwedza mari yangu kani chiregedze kuchema already kumondatiza murume wangu mai wega chiregedze kuchema tibatsirana nditi chiregedze kuchema foni yangu nemari yangu chiregedze kuchema zvandibatsirei kubatsirei amene kuti mari yandira inokwanere amene kuti inokwanere mari yandinayo chiregedze kuchema kani foni yangu chiregedze kuchema amai kani chiregedze kuchema nditikazi zvinowanikwa oiwekani ndotiiko kumba chiregedze kuchema zvinowanikwa nditi zvinowanikwa maita basa mwari wekukomborerei noisa pai kuvanhu vacho vari kuma wedu we
nokurira kumakwandande ande tinokwidza Thank you for being kind.
What are you obsessed with?
Yes, very much obsessed. Well, if there's someone who's kind to others, oh well, I don't buy that kind of I don't know what kind of so I'd rather be the person who's kind.
handisati hangu ndafunga nezvazvo but ini ndakaona mukana wekubatsira tobatsireni nekuti mwana anobatsirawo munhu anobatsira.
Yeah, I get it. You're too sweet. Ndosanzi kuzototengera ice cream rapo because you're too sweet. And ukaramba wakadaro nchaita chirwere cheshuga.
Chichireve izvozvo?
Well, like, chozozvona kana wakura, right? Saka takubatira musikana wese zvanga apa mawani.
Vanhu vari weird.
I don't even know why people are evil in this world.
Munabva kuwedza uko.
Unozobiro. People are evil.
Vanotsvaga nembutsu.
Unotsvaga pese paunenge usingafungiri.
Unoitsvaga.
Unoita trauma, shem. Mota dzasingadziwiri.
Dzisi kutombuya. Tsoda kuti ndisvike kumba kwaduka.
I've any noise.
Singaiteyo.
But you know something? Maybe you can use noise to our advantage.
Unorevei? Huh?
Sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay. Just don't understand that ready.
I know, and I respect you, okay? And sorry.
Yeah, you are different. Varume vazhinji vanofarira sex.
Yeah, it's cool, but also unofana kugona kuzvibata. Yeah. Sorry, okay?
You are different though.
No. Because naga.
No. You're just different.
So I know that.
And nakudaro, but you're just different.
Okay. So chiri sei kuti bagi chikukureka kwakatsongo kwedu.
You notice vanenge riri kwese saka kwese kwakatsva man.
Yeah, this is right. I don't know why.
Me too.
Okay, so you want to dance?
Yeah.
Saka iwe uri kuti pane 4 months muchidanana enda usati wambo kunyepa chaiko ngoni chaicho ndinoziva inini kunyepera
serious is sha I don't even think about it and naye ndichingo feel that this is it to moment panapa up until zvato zodoka kana kuti kwaedza. I don't even think about it.
So what do you do for fun?
Well, we go on dates, we dance, we talk, we just have fun, we take walks and stuff like that. Yeah.
Well, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Waona someone waunoda beyond sexual affection. Upina murudume manje.
Man, yeah, that's a bit too much, but yeah, we're vibing. I like her. She makes me do stuff. Jewelry, or whatever she likes. Right? No feel like then I'm in this era because she likes them. Like, so I think I enjoy it because sometimes I get jealous, I just want to.
Yes, yeah, and 101. 101 sometimes tunozroya tega iwo wakatozroya wega tozoda kublema vamwe tichiti ndiwo watiroya rudo.
I hope not, but I like it though. Fine.
I'm actually happy for you that actually she changed you to be a better man.
Thank you.
Well, I think if a man can have control over my sexual desires again, nedumbu rake unaenda kuri.
Just got good. You'll meet her someday.
Yeah, I would like to meet her.
Yeah. She's really changing me into someone better.
She's changing into someone better.
Yeah,
Sure.
I think so.
Okay.
I just find myself it sucks. Love is a beautiful thing though.
I just hope that she changed you for good. Because it doesn't change. It's always the same. So I pray kuti rudo rwenyu rurambe rwakadai. Because parinodai, the Ngungon comes.
I pray that too. Thank you for your prayers. Love changes people.
And you?
Until it destroys you. And love is a good thing,
No,
okay?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Ngoni.
Yes.
Ndudzoka kayepi story kana yepi ending.
Usually story katanga ine happiness, it has a sad ending. Saka usazo today.
Tidonzwa yako na maitanya. It's okay, kama singaduta.
Well, she was a good woman and I was not. I was young and stupid, so
Saka wachinja.
you just change. You come at a certain stage and age in life, you just have to change. It's not on board zero anymore, it's a choice you make.
Ungafunga mukadzi here.
Anjalo wakadzi.
Aswaro.
Like I said, I was young and stupid.
So are you fit for love?
I believe in the art of moving on with life. Because at the end of the day, life doesn't stop moving because you're in a bad mood. So I move on. You don't believe I was Sugaramba. You try food, Sugaramba. You keep trying. You just Sugaramba, Urambo Cheza. Because at the end of the day, shit happens, but life goes on. So
Yeah. It is what it is. Attitude.
yeah, that's the secret to life. It is what it is attitude. Then if bad things happen, just say it is what it is and then you move on. It's enough about me.
Ininichi.
Are you fit to love again? I'm not dating for fun, bro.
I know.
I'm dating for keeps.
I know.
You can go. Not even one day I know.
I do have my own reasons. Like what? Come on. Wamboona kuti vakadzi vanorepa varume nesimba rine varume.
Mangorepo wakanyarara mukadzi.
Varume havarepwi mani.
Okay. Vanobatwa chibhara.
What?
Ufunga kuti wakadzi vanorepo.